Okay, so this tedious process of uploading the plugin to this particular section of this plugin folder and all, this was for people who have trouble in uploading the plugin through this editor. But if you are not having any trouble, then what you can do is, first of all, just come over here at this point and click on the upload plugin. Then you have to select that particular plugin. Where is that? Okay, this is my plugin. Click on this and click on install, and it will install the plugin for you. But if you are getting any error during the upload process, if you are not able to upload or install it from this point, then you have to go for this process. Okay, directly don't go for this process. First of all, you should try with this one. If this is not working, then go for this option. Okay, so let me just see whether I am able to upload it or not. Let me just pause this video for a while. Okay, so now just scroll down, and over here you will get this option which is learn-lms. Click on activate. Okay, so as can be seen, there are few fatal errors. Just refresh it. It's not working. Okay, so now as can be seen, I'm getting this option which is learn-lms. Okay, so that error what we got just now, it was basically the installation, or maybe because of the network. But as of now, as can be seen, we are getting this option which is learn-lms. Okay, so now what you do is you just have to install the other plugins related to the learn dash. Click on this. Okay, so basically we will be making use of all these plugins. So I will do one thing. I will say select, and bulk action will be activate. I will say apply, and I will activate all these plugins because we are basically making use of all the plugins present over here. Okay, so we will see how to make use of them in the future. Okay, so there is one small error with this WooCommerce. Okay, so now as can be seen, all the plugins have been installed except for WooCommerce. There is an error with the WooCommerce. We will see how to resolve that error. But as of now, all these most of the plugins of the LMS have been installed. This is learn-lms and the learn-course grid and the uh, gravity forms. Okay, so most of the plugins are already installed over here. So now if you are going to this learn dash option, you will see this overview, then the courses, lessons, whatever courses that you create, you will see those courses under this tab. Then the lessons what you create, you will see all those lessons under this tab. And after that we have the topics and the quizzes, or whatever quizzes that you create, or you will find them over here. Then the questions, then the certificates what you create, you will find them over here. Then the assignments, and there's some of the other settings, other options and the settings related to the learn dash. If I'm just going to the settings, then okay, so these are some of the options which are present over here, which you have to just read. It says that it's not working because you need to install the Elementor plugin. Okay, so we will resolve this afterwards, but as of now, let's just scroll down, and here are some of the settings associated with the learn-lms. You can upload your logo over here, and these are some of the other settings which we will see in the future. But as of now, let's just go back to this Elementor and all. Let's just install all the plugins. Okay, so whenever you get such options over here, you just have to pay an attention. Most of the time, all these options present over here, all the suggestions which are given are useless, but sometimes you just have to resolve these suggestions. Then currently it is installing the Elementor. Elementor is basically the free plugin, but Elementor Pro is not free. You have to pay for that, but you will get that plugin over here inside of this. So now we'll activate the Elementor. Okay, and there is this one more essential plugin which is WooCommerce. You can do one thing, click on add new over here, and you have to search over here WooCommerce, and this is the WooCommerce plugin. Click on install, and even the Elementor plugin you can install it from here. Just click over here and search for Elementor. Okay, and once you find it, just install. Then click on activate to activate the WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so now just scroll down, and most of the plugins over here have been installed. Now we have to also search for Learn-Woocommerce Integration. So as of now we are having this, so I will install this by clicking on activate. And you have to also get the WooCommerce Stripe integration if you want to enable the Stripe payment gateway, which we will see in the future classes. But as of now, let me just tell you that this is required. Just activate this. This WP form slide and the Yoast SEO is as of now is not required. Okay, so we have almost installed most of the plugins over here. So now let me just tell you the most important plugins over here. So Cart Flows is required, Cart Flows Pro is required. Then if you want to change the logo of the WordPress during the login process, then this plugin is required. Then this is not required, then this is required, then this is the Elementor and the Elementor Pro. In order to design the website, these are important. Then these are some of the essential add-ons for Elementor. This is required. Then this is essential add-ons for Pro. This is highly important. Then the Google Analytics, if you want to see the number of the people have who have visited your profile, visited your website and all, then this is required. Then if you want to create the forms and all for sign up process and all, then this is required, otherwise this is not required. Learn-Course Grid, this is important in order to give your website a good look. And this is the Learn-LMS, this is our main website. Then the Learn-WooCommerce Integration, if you want to directly integrate the WooCommerce with your learning management system, then this is required. If you are integrating your LMS system with the this WooCommerce plugin, then this is not required. But for sake of safety and to be on the safer side, let's just install this. Then the premium add-ons, this is required. Then the WooCommerce plugin, this is important if you want to sell your courses. And this is the Stripe integration, Stripe payment integration, which we will integrate with the WooCommerce plugin. Okay, so as of now, these are some of the plugins which are important. And thanks for watching. This was all about the installation of the plugins and how to set up the environment for your learning management system. Thanks for watching.